Wait, I cannot understand how you can be using a product and it's causing you white dots, green veins, stretch marks, and you are there telling yourself that it gets worse before it gets better. Forget about all those things those skincare people tell you. You hear? It doesn't make sense. You are treating white dots on your skin, yet you are using the same products that cause the white dot. Come on, receive sense this 2021. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are just stopping by for the very first time, you're definitely welcome. Thank you very much for stopping by, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. So today let's talk about green veins, white patches or white dots, sunburns, and all whatnots. This is something that a lot of ladies who just ventured into skin lightening, skin bleaching especially, they suffer from. And if you're one of them, you want to make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be spilling out some tips, what you can do to avoid it and what you can do to rectify it if you're already suffering from that. Before I get deep into what we have to say today, if you are new and you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor by hitting on the subscription button, and make sure you turn on your notification bell as well, so that when I upload a new video, you will be notified and you will be the first to come and watch. And please help me share our video or my video with your friends so we can help grow my channel. Thank you very much as you do that. So now, talking about green veins and all these irritations or reactions caused by skincare products, a lot of ladies are suffering from this thing. You go on social media, you see people asking for solutions. Please, what can I use? You see a lot of creams these days saying green veins, it clears green veins, it clears white dots, and it's good to avoid it. It's really good to avoid it, because I always say that it can take you just 1 week or 1 day to destroy your skin, but it can take a lifetime for you to rectify it, and you may never even get your skin back to how it used to be. So if you are suffering from such a condition, hold on, hang on to this video, and let's see what you can do. The very first thing you want to do is to check your products, check the kind of products you use. If you are already going through something like that, please check the products and make sure you stop that product immediately. I used to see people will tell you, like, they come to you, you give them a treatment, a white dot treatment or white treatment for green veins and all whatnot, or they even buy them from the market, and they are applying the treatment on their skin and they are still using that product that caused the green vein and all whatnot. Now, it's worth noting, or it's important for us to know that sometimes those conditions are not really caused by cosmetic products. Sometimes it might just be a medical condition that you're suffering from, and if you find out that that is the case, you need to see a dermatologist. But if that is not the case, then you are having such reactions maybe because of the product, or because you have bleached your skin to the limits. I still don't understand how you can be using lightening products on your skin 24/7 back to back. I don't get it. I don't really get it. I don't recommend that on this channel. I don't tell you whether to bleach your skin or not to bleach your skin. I don't tell you whether to lighten your skin or not to lighten your skin. Whiten, whatever you want to do with your skin is your skin. As long as you're above 18 years old and you're watching me, you should be responsible for your actions. But I beg of you, because I love you, and I care about your health. I really do. This excess bleaching is crazy. It's insane. Take it easy. Take it easy. When you over bleach your skin becomes thin, and then you start seeing those veins. Sometimes those products are not the cause of the veins, because all of us have those veins in our skin. But because you have bleached your skin too much, I'm sorry for the sun. I'm sorry, the sun is reflecting. If you have bleached your skin too much, your skin becomes too thin that the veins become so obvious, and you look very frightful. You really look sometimes like a chicken that has just been hashed. Your skin is very fragile. Like, it's not good for you. Your skin loses elasticity the more you bleach it. That's why for me, if I had to advise you, I would say brighten up your skin. You cannot be going up to 3 shades, even more than 3 shades. 1, 2 shades is okay. When you go more than 3 shades continuously, especially. Now, some people go 3 shades and they take breaks. Like, they are very light, they take a break maybe for 3 weeks, just like that. You need to find a way how to do it. If you don't know how to do it, contact people who know how to do it. Talk to people. Talk to people who can really guide you on how to go about it. And make sure you're not buying all these cheap products. Because sometimes you have not over bleached your skin, but the product you are using is very cheap. It's packed, because it's cheap, it's packed full of cheap lightening additives, crazy ingredients, all the steroids, the mercuries, the hydroquinone, and all whatnot. And you're using those products on your skin. Now, don't get me wrong, there are people who have bleached their skin with steroids and they still look healthy. That is simply because they take breaks. That's the secret. There's no secret to it. Take breaks. And they don't only take breaks, they use moisturizers to build their skin. They use skin building products. You understand? They use products that helps to give their skin some elasticity. They use skin repairing products. You can whip up body butters and use on your skin. You whip up maybe cocoa butter and shea butter. You like it. I don't know, please stop it. If you're doing it, stop it. And if you're somebody who hasn't started lightening yet, you're thinking of bleaching your skin, please, it's really not worth it. It's not worth it. I'm telling you out of experience because I've done it, but I'm just so fortunate that I watch a lot of videos on YouTube. Even before I became a content creator, I used to watch a lot of videos, and I still watch videos. There are people I watch on YouTube as well, because we all are still learning. I keep watching. So you have to watch. You have to look at check your product. Make sure your product is not expired. Make sure your product is not expired. Make sure the ingredients are safe for the skin. And give yourself breaks. Take breaks. I don't know how you can be using a product and it's giving you white dots and white patches, and you are still using it, hoping that it's going to get better. Some of these skincare people will tell you that it gets worse before it gets better. Forget that crap. If you're using a product and it's reacting to your skin, stop immediately. When I say stop, I mean stop. Before you even start looking for the solution, stop. Don't come and tell me that I am using the product, it's giving me white dots, and I ask you, are you still using it? You say yes, and you're looking for a treatment. Some of you come and get treatments, and you're using the treatment, and you're still using the product. What do you expect? How? It's just like you're putting a product and still putting, I don't know, how do you expect it to work? It can't work. So please, if you are suffering from, if you have watched this video and up till now you think you haven't had the solution to that problem is to stop using that product. Stop before you start looking for what oil to use. And by the way, if you check on my channel, I have a video on how you can reverse side effects caused by bleaching. You can help. Sometimes you cannot completely reverse them. In some cases, depending on how damaged your skin is, you might not be able to reverse everything, but you can help control it so it doesn't get worse. Like help to heal your skin and to reduce some of those white patches, fade them away, all those sunburns. Check my channel. I have a video on that. I'm going to try to link it below if possible so you can see it and watch it, learn something from it. I don't create this content just because I want to sit in front of the camera. I create this content because I want to help myself and help you as well, because the things I tell you are the things I do, and that's why my skin is the way it is. Yes, I use lightening products on my skin. I don't deny it. I use it. I regret ever starting it. I regret. If I knew, I wouldn't have started, but I'm doing it, and that's why I'm doing it now with some. And that's why I'm here to share with you. So please make sure you learn something, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, a huge one. If you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor and hit on the subscription button, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.